Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I've been receiving a lot of questions how to get a list of agencies, recruitment agencies here in Norway, guys. For today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get the list of recruitment agencies that can help you land your dream job in Norway.
Wow!
Through Finn.no. This is one of the most popular search portal here in the country. Stay tuned, guys, and let's dig in. As many of you know, guys, I'm not a recruiter. I'm not a recruiter or connected to any HR in Norway. I'm just here to share my personal experience and help you guide the job application process in Norway. I used to navigate this platform, Finn.no, and that I'm used to give most of you guys who have contacted me. Finn.no is the job portal where we can find agencies, vacancies here in Norway. But remember, I'm simply giving you tips based on my experience and research. And let's talk about how to connect with the recruitment agencies through Finn.no to boost your chances of landing a job. Let's go, guys.
First things first, let's head over to Finn.no into your browser and it take you to the homepage. For those of you who are unfamiliar with Norwegian, don't worry. Chrome has an English option in most browsers and it's fairly easy to navigate even if you don't speak the language. On the homepage, as you can see, you'll see various categories for real estate, cars, and more. And of course, for jobs, click on the job or in the browser. It's in English. It says jobs. This will take you directly to the job listing. Alright, you can search by job title. For example, mechanical engineer. Let's choose mechanical engineer. You can search by job title, location, or even company. What really great about Finn is that you can use filters to narrow down your search. For example, you can search full-time or part-time or temporary jobs and even choose your preferred location within Norway. As you can see, we will choose Rogaland because Stavanger, for example, is within Rogaland. So there are 68 results. And once you find a job that interests you, click on listing to get more details. For example, we consider NOV, mechanical engineer. There you will see the job description, the qualifications needed, and how to apply. For most companies, ask for your CV and cover letter. Some, they may have their own application portal, but many will allow you to apply directly through Finn.no, as you can see to this blue button here. Another great way to find jobs is connecting with the recruitment agencies. All you need to do is just type in with the recruitment agencies, or let's say recruiter. You can search for agencies that specializes or special in placing candidates on different sectors. Here you will see all the recruitment agencies. Here, there, shout out to Aker Solutions. It's one of the big companies that you can consider as well. And see, Aker is now looking for some vacancies. They have some vacancies in different disciplines. Try it, guys. Alright?
Just make your CV updated, tailored for the job that you're applying to, and you have written a strong cover letter. In Norway, it's common to include references, so you make sure you have those ready as well. Once you registered with the agencies, they will help you connect with the companies that are hiring, even the position that might not advertise publicly. This is a great way to increase your chances of finding a job in Norway. Before we wrap up, let me share some quick tips to increase your chances of success. First, make sure your CV is in English or Norwegian. Many employers here in Norway are accepting English CVs, but having a Norwegian, of course, can be a plus. Second, tailor each application. Don't just send your CV and cover letter to every job. Personalize it for each application. Well, that's cool, isn't it? Third, the importance of network. As I was saying, guys, in our previous vlog, network is very essential. So make sure, guys, it's very important here in Norway. Norway values personal connections. So reach out your contacts, guys. Join LinkedIn, attend job fairs and events. Who knows? You'll meet that person. And network is the key, guys. It really is. Yes. And last but not least, guys, don't be impatient. Be patient. Alright? The Norwegian job market is competitive, but persistence pays off. In Tagalog, we used to say, may napapala ang naghihintay. Wow! It's worth the wait. In short. Alright? So, there you have it. A simple guide on how to find and connect with the agencies here in Norway through Finn.no. It's one of the best resources for job hunting in Norway. I hope this video helps get you started. If you have any question, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you found this useful. Good luck with your job hunting in Norway, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys. Alright.